1st of April, and the day was starting off with some less than optimal weather. Despite the weather, though, the Strasburg Railroad still operates, and we're here today for a special event. With the sound of a bell, the steam engine rolls out of the shed. Though I've been to Strasbourg a few times, I've never seen this steam engine in operation. The engine in question is the Baldwin Decapod number 90. At 7:15 a.m., number 90's tender was filled with coal for the day's operations. For today's event, 90 had to pick up the number 12 caboose and take it to the Paradise siding. After that, we met number 90 at Paradise Lane. Next, we met them at Black Horse Road. Joining me on this trip was my friend Carter, aka CRB Trains. Number 90 is a 210-0 Decapod type locomotive built by the Baldwin Locomotive Works in 1924. The Decapod name comes from the 10 main driven wheels. At first, 90 served on Colorado's Great Western Railway and pulled sugar beet trains, many of which were too long for the smaller engines to pull. In 1967, Strasbourg purchased the engine, and the rest is history. Today's special event is dubbed Hands on the Throttle by many fans, and is an opportunity for anyone to step into the cab and even drive the locomotive. The caboose is attached at the rear for the brakeman to stand on. On each run, the visitor crew can drive a short distance and then return to Paradise siding. we moved slightly southwest to catch 90 at a farm crossing. After crossing the small bridge east of Black Horse Road, the crew heads back to Paradise. This morning, number 89 also showed her face, and later we saw her pulling the regular Strasburg train, which met 90 in Paradise. Then we caught up to 89 at Cherry Hill Road. After that, the throttle experiences were done, and 90 returned to East Strasbourg station as well, and they used the opportunity to do some other work. the end of the day, Strasbourg 90 hit the shed. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below, and feel free to comment and share this video with your friends. As always, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. With that being said, that's all I've got for today. I'll see you all again soon, and thanks for watching.